Good morning, Hoover Math and Science Academy students and staff. Hi, my name is Noor, and I'm coming to you live from the WHVR studio. Today is Wednesday, September 24th, 2014. In weather today, the village of Schaumburg is expected to have a high of 76 and a low of 54, with partly cloudy skies. Now please stand and join us in saying our nation's pledge. Our pledge people for today are
Sahana, Bhavya, Madison, Rylan. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
In sports, the Cubs won 4-3 in the 10 innings against the St. Louis Cardinals. The White Sox lost to the Detroit Tigers by a score of 4-3. And the Blackhawks won the first exhibition game of the season against the Detroit Red Wings with a score of 2-1 in overtime. Tomorrow is Pizza Thursday. Get your slice just for $2. And now a word from Mr. Schmelzer.
Thank you, Nora. Good morning, Hoover. I remembered the eggs today. Just a reminder, in case you forgot, today is an early out. Students will be dismissed at 11:40. That also means that on days like this, there is no lunch at school, which means there's also no enrichment. So please plan accordingly. All right. As many of you have reminded me, I forgot to pull Herbie high fives on Friday, and then I forgot on Monday, and then I wasn't here on Tuesday. So I finally remembered. So we're going to pull some high fives here. Got to crack open the egg. Let's see. Mix these up really good. Let's see. We have got Kason from room 118. Oh boy, I can't read that one. We've got Tiffany from room 118. Wow, room 118. Martha from room 117. Maya from room 107. Let's do a couple more here. Let's do, wow. Remember to write your name legibly so I can read it, please. Zachary in room 116. And let's see. It looks like Kira in room 113. All right, so that's primary. Let's jump to intermediate. Mix these up really good. All right. Jimmy in room 204. Brandon in room 201. Peyton in room 207. Adarsh in room 205. And let's see, last one for today. We've got Victor in room 201. Congratulations to everyone. Remember, after announcements, come down to my office. Everybody have a great day, or not. The choice is yours.
Thank you, Mr. Schmelzer.
You're welcome.
Here's today's fun fact. Regulation Major League Baseballs feature exactly 108 stitches. That's all for today. Have a wonderful Wednesday and a happy half day.